What's good, everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. Now check this out. You guys seen the title, so you know what I'm making. I'm getting ready to make some Mango Habanero Wings, right? And listen, and I gotta say this too. You saw it in the title, it's gonna say March Madness Munchies. Hey, but you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and time date this, so no matter when they see it, they'll know when this was made. So listen, there ain't even no March Madness this year. Hey, but with that being said, I'm finna show you guys how you can be at the house. If you got these wings, you can make these and they just gonna be like super cool, right? I'm looking over here, cause listen, they call mango, but listen, you could do strawberry mango, whatever, which happens to be my favorite. So I'm not gonna over talk it. We finna go into these ingredients. I'm gonna just show you how easy it is to make, and we finna get it, folks. All right, so look, we finna go right over these ingredients. As you can see, it's not even a whole lot of ingredients, right? So look, this time I'm gonna go ahead and just start right here. You guys see the chicken. This will do up to like 24, chicken wings. If you got a big party or whatever, you're doing something like that, just go ahead and double this recipe. So look, if you're looking to do up to 48 wings, I'm gonna just go ahead and say, just double that. Now, look, we got salt and pepper, right here. And I just put this in here like this, just so you guys can just see it. You know what, we're just gonna give it a little sprinkle. This right here just happens to be a half a teaspoon of kosher salt anyway. And then right here, look, this right here is strawberry mango. This happens to be like my favorite. You guys can use peach preserve or whatever. That's probably more traditional, but this right here is to my palate and my taste. So again, I'm gonna show it to you like this, so you guys can see it. And that's just strawberry, made by Smucker's, the strawberry mango. Right here, we got a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. That's powder, you guys, not salt. Then we got a half a teaspoon of paprika, right? Am I saying it right, y'all? Is it paprika, whatever you want to call it, that's what it is. And look, I just want to show you the brand right here. This is what I'm using. This is La Victoria. This that salsa. This is Mango Habanero. Now, if you guys want to go ahead and make your own, you can do that also. Really up to you. Now, first thing I'm gonna do is, let's go ahead and get this oven preheated, and we're gonna preheat it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, like I said, listen, I'm gonna go ahead and preheat this oven. We're gonna preheat it to 400 degrees. And now we get ready to prep. All right, we're gonna go ahead, look, real simple, you guys. Look, this is the salt, right? I'm just gonna take this, just go ahead and give it a few pinches, because what we're gonna do is get it to transfer, Now it's just a half a teaspoon. Then we got this paprika right here. Go ahead and just sprinkle this. Oh, got a little bit in there. And now the garlic powder. All right, no oils or none of that. I get a lot of comments. People say, hey, how come you didn't do that or do this? Hey, look, we're gonna do it just like this. They're already tacky anyway. So now we're gonna add a little. Now listen, this is smoked pepper. You guys can use, just regular fresh ground pepper. If you don't have that, just use some regular pepper. Now, I'm gonna take this hand here and we finna just toss them over. You can see how white it is. I flip it over, got all the seasoning. Now we just gonna flip it back and forth. Now, if you guys ask me why am I showing all of that, I get a lot of new people right here that's just learning how to cook. They got a lot of questions. I think it's best that if you see everything along with a little explanation, it'll cut down your learning. When your learning curve is cut in half, it just makes it so much easier. So, we just gonna do them just like that, right? Now, I'm gonna go ahead, let me just set it up so you guys can see it. Now, I'm just gonna go ahead and line it. Now, I got one of them little sheets down at the bottom. It's like made out of some kind of like rubber. It's probably like neoprene or something like that. It helps me with my cleanup. If you guys are just using a regular baking sheet, go ahead and put, make sure you line it. Hey, this is real important. Make sure you line it with some foil. I'm gonna go ahead and just bake it like that. And then I want you guys to notice, look at the spacing. That right there is key. And by me having it on this rack, listen, heat is able to get underneath and give it a nice, even cook. Now, that right there is good. I'm getting ready to put this in the oven. We're gonna put it in there for about 45 minutes. But meanwhile, I'm gonna go ahead and get set up so we can go ahead and make our sauce. Okay, look, my wings, they almost done. So look, we're gonna go ahead and get our sauce together, right? So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna just start off on like a medium, for my heat. So I'll start this. And then this part real simple. All you gotta do is just take your, your mango salsa, put this in there. And then whatever type of preserve you like, again, I'm using strawberry mango, because look, this is just what I like. You guys can use like a peach, preserve, whatever. And then what we're gonna do is heat it down, and we're gonna get a sauce. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna brush this on top of the wings, and then we're gonna put it back into the oven, and then we're gonna just like, you know, bake the sauce on there for about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, you can see right now we just like getting this to mix together and marinate together. This right here is gonna be our sauce, where we're gonna coat our, you know, our wings in. Now you guys can do it 2 ways. You can go ahead and strain it, but for me, I'm gonna go ahead and just use my brush. I'm gonna get it, you know, wet, and then we just gonna brush the wings. I'm kind of like whisking it towards the edge, you know what I mean, to get it, since it's nice and hot, just to try to get it to like break down into like smaller pieces. So I don't mind if it's like a thick, you know, kind of thick. So I'm reducing it down to a medium low. You won't see any more bubbles from, you know, from the heat. It won't be boiling no more. We'll just keep it like this, and then we'll just wait for the wings to be ready, and then we'll go from there. Okay, now look, these are done. Look at the color of these. These look nice. Oh, I wanted to tell you this. Look, after 45 minutes, because listen, every oven is going to be different, right? After 45 minutes, I looked at it. I went ahead and set another timer for 5 minutes. So for a total of 50 minutes, this is what we come up with right here. Now what we're getting ready to do is, I'm finna get this brush, and what we're gonna do is we just gonna coat these with the habanero sauce, right? Once we got these coated, we're going back into the oven. So let's make that happen now. So what you'll see now is, look, I'll just go ahead and brush this like this, and we'll just brush them. Listen, I've already sampled this sauce right here. Listen, it's real nice and smooth, got a nice little kick. So what we're gonna do is we just gonna get it like this, just like you see right now. Look. Now, once you're done coating them, then all you gotta do, you know, just flip them over. You know, it's like really self-explanatory from here on out. After we flip them over, just go ahead and dab your brush in your mango habanero sauce, and then just go ahead and just like coat them again. And listen, you guys wanna go ahead and put them in a bowl and toss them, you can do that too. But after they're completely covered, you wanna put them back in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. All right, here you go. Now you guys can see, look at that. Look at the color on it. Hey, everything is right about this right here. And they not so glossy like before, right? But listen, they kind of like baked it on there. I'm gonna let this cool, then we're gonna go ahead and take a test. Then we're gonna put them on a plate, and then we finna eat some of these. Now you know they something serious when I break out my rectangular plate, right? So listen, the habanero in this right here, listen, it's got a smooth little bite to it, and it evens out real good when you know, dip it in that ranch. But other than that, this is that fire, super easy. Hey, so you guys just seen just how easy it is to make. Really, it's nothing to it. But look, I'm just trying to show you guys something else. And don't forget, I'm gonna tag all of this month along with myself and all wings, everything. We doing this right here. It's called March Madness Munchies. Hey, real easy. A lot of, you know, different ideas. Listen, if we in the house right now, you know what, just, you know, you can have some fun. You can make this with your family, you know what I mean? And not to mention that it tastes great. Hey, so enough talking. Let's go ahead and just get us one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get me one of these. I'm gonna dip it. Oh man, look, I'm dipping it in ranch. You guys can dip it in your, you know, your leftover sauce, but I'm gonna hit it like that. There's my dip. I can double dip. Hey, and check it out. I know I might have something on my mouth, but listen, we using these you know, getting down with these finger foods. So look, I got my boy behind me. I got Mad Dog. Y'all might know him as BZ Cooks or whatever you want to call him. Hey, we finna bring him in here. Hey, he always over here and talking about he don't want to be on no camera, but we finna put him on right now. I'm tired of hearing him laugh. Come on, man. Hey, forever laughing. So look, let me get this off my mouth.
You won't get it. You won't get it off my mouth. I'm thinking, hey, right? Wings are good though. I have one.
You want to talk about a great tasting wing? This is it. And don't forget, March Madness Munchies. You guys can like put that in the search, you know, the search bar up in YouTube, and you'll be able to see all of the videos that myself and all wings. Hey, anybody want to get into that? Anybody want to do it? Just put that in your title. Hey, listen, we gonna all look at it and it's gonna go down. Hey,
so I'm gonna have to do me some wings too.
Yeah, hey, that's to be. Hey, I'm gonna be looking and I'm gonna wait and see if he gonna drop some wings.
I'll drop some.
Or just whatever.
If I can find some.
Hey, that's the truth. Right. So check this out. Listen, if you're new to my channel, let me just say, hey, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tell everybody out there. There's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. And if you've been watching me for a minute, you know how I'm finna get out of here. How I'm gonna get out of here, Mad Dog?
Peace.
Peace.